I'm going to add content. And here you'll see when you added content, there was that object, there was that option here to add it singly, and then here's your spreadsheet ingest. So we've got a couple here, and this is generally, a lot of you on this call would have probably used spreadsheet ingest as a way to ingest your objects into your repository. We've got a couple here set up. I'm not going to go through all of this, but you can view, you've got a test ingest, there's your owner, is it active, you get your migration group. You want to edit it, you could add a sheet title here to it. Oftentimes people will put the date because the system retains these, and so if you want to go back to find them and delete them later, or for easy identification, and then you're ready, so let's process it. So there's options here in how you want to process, so you can do manual or immediate. The one that we recommend is deferred. And the reason that we recommend deferred is because it doesn't run through the UI. It runs through a cron or a scheduled action, scripting action, and it runs through the command line outside of your user interface. So that action can be configured. It could be set to run once a day, once an hour, what have you. The other thing that's great is that you could load 5 sets of spreadsheets and content, and you can hit submit and you can walk away. And when that cron runs, it's going to look for anything that's in the queue. When it completes, it just keeps going. So definitely deferred is the preferred way to do it. It's a little faster, and then when you want to see how it's doing or how it did, you can go down here to your migration messages, and you can see here that on this particular one that was run, there is 4 messages. And we can click on, there's a number of messages, but there was 4 here on this one. And the error report, the report now can see, okay, I want to filter how many were errors. Well, there were no errors. Were there any warnings? No warnings. So what really did that mean? Let's look at this. It was mostly info. It means that they ran, but it's letting you know that, okay, there was a digital file column is missing. So the importance is not that. You can go back later and you can add that column in if you want, but it wasn't enough in order to stall your migration. Yeah, and if I go back one more time. So the other options that are here when you're doing this is that, let's say, for example, those messages were errors and you wanted to fully roll back because nothing had gone through. You can also click that and you can hit submit. Or perhaps there was only a couple and you don't want to remove the entire ingest. You can roll back the failed and ignored items in this migration group. So let's keep going here. I see we're running a little bit out of time here.